Ringtones. Every phone has them. I like that last one. But you ought to hear what I saved as my new ringtone. It's got a catchy ring to it. Okay, I believe the next one is going to be my ringtone that I have on my phone. Here it comes. You like it? The ringtone that is now on my phone is the Philadelphia Flyers goal horn. When they score a goal, that's what you hear. What do you have as your ringtone? You know, some of you might want to do a video so we can hear the ringtone. Thank you for allowing me to bore you, and have a great day. Bye.